Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
How you doing today? So I don't know, about a month ago, I went out to the Hot Rod Show at Pomona, California. It was a Father's Day show, I believe, and it was really quite nice. And at that time, they have a huge car swap meet. A lot of you've probably been there. I found this running down one of the aisles. This is a after 1950 double-sided porcelain sign. When I bought it, it didn't exactly look like this, so I brought it back and we touched it all up, and then we shot a nice clear coat over it because that's what it needed to make it nice and look like it didn't have very many miles on it. Porcelain double-sided, brackets, original frame. So this is the original frame from the factory. What I thought was super cool about this is down there it hits the spot. I've never seen them with the music note on them. So we did a nice clear coat job. What I'm going to do is I am going to include in our listing the before and after pictures so you can see what it looked like before, and I'm sure you'll agree with us that what we did was correct. So we put some nice chain on it here. You can add or subtract to that to hang it. This thing weighs quite a bit, double-sided porcelain. Let me show you the other side. So I've been looking around. I can't find hardly any really nice PEPSI porcelain signs. This is a good one. This is a big one. This is double-sided. So if you'd like a nice double dot, clean porcelain PEPSI sign, this could be for you. Let us know. We'll get this boxed up. We'll probably put some wood around it and everything, pack it up real nice. We'll get it delivered to you. And thanks for watching our videos, folks.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.